morning guys! Kami po ang GMASC PSCP. Ngayon po ay mag-demo kami ng basic kind of cuts. At kung ano ang role ng cutters. Kung ano ang role ng buzzers. Ang unang cut po na ituturo namin ay front cut. First, you need to pass the ball to the wing and then creating space for doing that step. Cut to the ball side and show your hands to the back. So guys, ang role naman po ng passer. First, look at the cutter. Second, overhead passing. Third, protect the ball by your body. And fourth, one step advance pass.